Hey, what's up guys? I just want to let you know a quick update regarding kind of how I'm going to be doing my reviews here on the channel. Basically what I do is I hold the unboxing video and then release the unboxing video, upload the unboxing video just before I upload the review video, so it goes unboxing, quick look, review all the time. But I'm going to break it up a little bit in that I'm also going to incorporate some Twitch streaming as like part of the process, and I've already done this so far just with the DJ and with the Gun Easy. If you saw the past couple days, I Twitch streamed over there. The link to my Twitch channel is down below. Just building the process of building those. So normally what I do when I'm just snap building a kit for a review is I'm usually doing that at my job, in like my downtime at my job when I don't have other responsibilities. That's where I snap up the kits and everything. So that's done there, and then when I come home here, I am recording the review and uploading that for you guys. But for a long time, for a year or so, I've really wanted to have been getting more involved with Twitch streaming, trying to do more Twitch streaming, but there's really not a lot that I've been able to think of to do on Twitch streaming, because I do my snapping at work, and then when I'm here I'm recording videos, or I'm painting. I don't want to stream painting, or I'm like, if I'm working on something else, doing modifications or something like that, I want to record that as like a separate video to like actually put out as just a normal video and not live stream that process. So and then I tried live streaming just like when I was working on decals, and I just thought that was just terribly boring, so I didn't want to really do that. So I think this will finally be a good way to do some more streaming on Twitch, with some content that I think will be interesting for you guys. So basically what I'll do is I'll upload my unboxing video on YouTube, and then between the unboxing video and the review, I'll actually build the kit live on Twitch. So if you guys watched the actual building process there live on Twitch, like I'll do all the nub cleanup and everything at work, so that's all done. Like it's all like the tedious part of getting the parts all ready. So when I come to doing the live streaming on Twitch, I'm just putting it together, and you guys will be able to see the process of putting it together. And if you're watching live, you can like ask questions right away, like if you want to know about how some certain part goes together, or you can see like my immediate reactions to things. If there's something that's like really cool about the build, I can tell you guys about it like straight away. Sometimes like later when I'm recording the review, I might forget about something, some interesting part of the building process that just I may forget to mention in the review. So it'll be a cool way to be able to share that building process with you guys directly there on Twitch. And then after that live stream is done, then I'll record my review and put my review up on YouTube after that. Those videos will stay on Twitch. I think it's like 2 weeks that they stay on there. You can watch it then later, even if you can't watch it live. And then I think probably what I'll do is maybe after a week or so is I'll pull the video off Twitch and put it onto YouTube as well, so that you can on YouTube it'll be kept there permanently. So if anyone wants to watch it like much later on, it'll always be there. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the time being. I think that'll be a good way to do some more Twitch streaming while also still just keeping up with my normal content, and just kind of doing as much as I can for making as much content for you guys as I can. So let me know what you guys think, and basically just follow or subscribe there to my Twitch. Again, the link is down below. Thank you for all of you guys who have been there already for a while, sticking with me there, even though I don't stream very often. But from now on, I think I'm going to be trying to stream at least a few times a week there, building kits with you guys. So come there and hang out, ask questions. You can ask questions about other things too. It doesn't have to be particularly about the specific kit. If you want to just ask anything, it's like an ask me anything anytime that I'm Twitch streaming. Just ask whatever. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.